Okay, did any team finish all questions? Not! Oh, I'm so disappointed. So, it's difficult. Hmm. Who, who, who is the winner? Everyone's the winner. Because we have learned so many points, interesting points of the other nations. So we are all winners. I think you done a great job creating the quiz, answering, doing this question. Thumbs up. Thank you very much.
Okay, now your activity will be a hard work. You will have to write the newsletter of the meeting, of the SEP Employability Project meeting in Barcelona. So we have different teams with different things to do. We will go to the second floor. You will use computers, but we have a hard work, and the sooner you finish, the sooner we go. Okay? So, the tasks.
Yeah, half of our team, that's the right team of course, will be helping the other teams with their English. Okay, because bearing in mind that many of the people in here, English is their second language rather than the first. So we probably need the back team from, say, this point here to be, what's the word I'm looking for? Translators, thank you. Yeah? So you're going to be translators, and we're going to get you to help the rest of the team. The rest of the right team are going to do the introduction to this event. Okay? So listen very, very carefully. This is really important, yeah? You need to discuss who was here, the different nationalities who were here, okay? What we did each day, just briefly, not in detail, but what we did each day. But what you need to discuss in detail was my activity. So you know that lean manufacturing thing that you did at the beginning, which many of you spotted in Subway today. They're actually Subway, and well done for that actually. Subway were producing in batches, that's right. And there were queues because of that, yeah? So the three who were in the batch getting their sandwich were okay. The rest of us in the other batch were waiting a long time, and that's one of the problems with batch manufacturing. Okay? So you might talk about my activity and how you can relate that to real life. Okay? You can. Yeah? We're not looking for lots of fancy things. Remember, this is a newsletter and it wants to be written in Word, please. Okay? So who was here? What did we do each day? And more specifically, my activity. Now remember, Mr. Fox will be reading this. So, Dr. Fox, our principal, any kind words about the team would be nice. Okay?
I will also give you the list of participants, so you have to, you should write the name of the people who are here today. Okay.
Thank you.
The German team.
The German team will write their part about our visits concerning culture, food, and companies, and maybe you can do a small interview to one Polish guy who was very surprised by the food in Hispania. You will get help by the English team, and just write it down in Word. Nothing, no literal Nobel Prize is needed. Yeah.
And for the Polish team, I think it's a good job if you explain the activity you prepare, because it's very important, and it will be nice if you have some pictures to show and make a brief presentation of really the product you prepare, because it was really good. So it will be really nice. Again, you prepare in Word, and then everything has to go to the Spanish team, who will prepare the layout of the newsletter, and you will also give the presentation about the apps you have prepared and the information of that, and you will have all the content will be sent to you, and you have also to look for pictures to put in our newsletter. The newsletter has to be finished today. The idea is to finish it, if possible, before or at 3 o'clock. Okay, so it's very important. You work together, you work well, and let's see what happens. Okay, before we go to the first floor, we will go to. Sorry. Pregunta aquí a Rafa, ¿qué aula podemos ocupar ahora? Just a second for logistics. Sorry.